Amid a huge backlash to the entry of young women into Kerala's Sabarimala temple, 5 judges of the Supreme Court are hearing more than 60 petitions that urge a rethink of the verdict that made it possible. Remember, for decades, women between the ages of 10 to 50, that's women of menstrual age, were not allowed in the temple. However, the Supreme Court gave its judgment allowing the entry of women. But now, today, the Supreme Court hearing those review petitions. It was in September that the court had opened the doors to women between the ages of 10 to 50, ending that traditional ban. But the Kerala government today in the court said it's opposed to this review and says the order should stand as it is. There is no need to review the Supreme Court's order. Remember, only 2 women have managed to enter the temple since the Supreme Court order allowing young women to enter the temple. The rest had been forced to turn back by huge protests by right-wing groups that often involve the use of force, threats and intimidation as well. So let's just tell you a bit about the petitioners in the case. Now, the NAIR Service Society, who are one of the petitioners, they argued that there was an error in the September judgment, in the verdict of the Supreme Court, that this custom that the Sabarimala temple follows of not allowing women between the ages of 10 to 50 did not amount to untouchability. That is one of the points that the Supreme Court had made in its verdict, saying that it amounts to untouchability. But the petitioner has argued in this review petition that it's not untouchability that is being practiced. It is a religious practice that was being observed by the temple, by the Sabarimala temple. So those arguments continuing in the Supreme Court.